We're here in a place called Upper Marlboro, Maryland today doing a roof replacement. The homeowner had a 25-year shingle on the roof and it's pretty much overdue for a roof replacement. She started having leaks, so that's what you see us doing here today. We are offloading our materials off the equipter right now. Yeah, we got a nice humid day here and we're looking to have some fun here on replacing this roof. So yeah, we'll let you see what it looks like when everything's said and done. Just taking an after video here. We got the roof all finished up. See here we got all the new gutter guards on the front. This is Shingles here, brown wood, architectural, duration. We got new pipe boots on right here. Got a new bridge vent on right here all the way across. And then new cap shingles on the back here. This is the back side where you can see the gutter guard all the way across. We got a new pipe boot there. Painted the vent there here. We got new cap shingles on this side. So yeah, everything's good to go and all said and done. Carry over now.